Over the past couple of days, a new report suggests that the Uttar Pradesh police might be set to use artificial intelligence and facial recognition in a bid to improve women's safety in the state. The report comes after National Council for Women chairperson Rekha Sharma visited the Director General of UP Police H.C. Awasthi to discuss the state of women's safety in Uttar Pradesh. On this note, Uttar Pradesh Commissioner of Police D.K. Thakur stated that the force is exploring the possibility of taking artificial intelligence and facial recognition to help fight crime against women. How would it really work? As Thakur has explained, the Uttar Pradesh police has already conducted a survey and identified up to 200 hotspots from where most complaints come from women regarding crime against them. Now, based on those complaints, the police force is trying to debut a pilot project with 5 cameras that are enabled with artificial intelligence, and these cameras will apparently scan the facial expression on women's faces to automatically alert the police and generate an alert to the police regarding any possible crime, and the police force will reach the spot as early as possible. This might help improve the status of women's safety, since a lot of times women may not be in a position to dial the 112 hotline to alert the police. And on this note, the police force claims that the use of this AI-enabled facial recognition cameras can really help them reduce the crime against women even further. While this is an idea floated by the UP police, on the other hand, in Delhi, during the Republic Day celebrations, the police force has stated that the advanced facial recognition system software will also be used to scan the crowd at multiple entry points and find miscreants who may have disrupted proceedings and who may have disrupted legal flow in the past. There are over 50,000 people in this database, and according to reports, they will all be scanned actively using cameras installed at various entry points to find out whether any miscreant might be entering the processions during the Republic Day parade. AI and facial recognition have gone hand in hand, but there have been multiple discussions on it. There have been multiple reports on how these databases are framed, and while the police forces have claimed that they have stuck to using only a purposeful way of approaching this entire business, there has been a slight lack of clarity in terms of how the database is compiled and what it means for user privacy. While UP Police's approach seems to be pretty novel, it remains to be seen whether the use of AI can actually efficiently detect a change in expression on people's faces in order to send the alert efficiently. The state of AI and facial recognition is still at a nascent stage, and all the databases and algorithms are still being built gradually by companies and corporations. And on this note, this might be a pilot project that works at a certain rate of efficiency and not the highest rate of efficiency. And in terms of privacy, it will also raise concerns in terms of how the data is stored, how private the database is maintained as, and the overall sanctity of the entire process. However, this is a project that police forces worldwide are trying to use at length. Facial recognition is something that global police forces have been deploying across in various shapes and sizes. But due to the privacy implications, multiple companies, including biggies such as Microsoft and Amazon, have previously stated that they will not be selling their facial recognition software to the police forces until further regulations are set. But that's in the international markets. In India, we are still far away from such a regulation and from such law-keeping regulatory framework. And on that note, it remains to be seen whether there are any external safeguards such as privacy suggestions from experts which are put in place before these facial recognition systems are deployed to help the public even further.